Okay, in this week we're going to look at animations. So there's a couple nodes we need to install. I'm going to pull most of it from this repo. This is the animate diff repo, or the animate diff node set. You'll see here there's a couple of things that they also recommend we install. So we're just going to make sure they're all installed. So come over here to animate. Sorry, we'll come over here to ComfyUI. We'll go to manager. We'll go to install custom nodes. And we're going to look for animate diff evolved. So when we're here to search, we'll go to animate diff, and we'll hit search, and we should see this one here. So we'll see animate diff evolved. I've already got it installed. Maybe I previously installed it. Maybe you don't have it installed. Go ahead and install this. I'm going to just hit update just to make sure I've got the latest version. And there's a couple other things we'll need here. So we're going to go back over to this repo, and we're going to install FizzNodes. You'll see I already have this installed as well. I think it's still trying to install animate diff. The other one we're going to need is the advanced control net. For this, I'm just going to type in control net. And you'll see the advanced control net settings. We'll install this one. And then we also need the video helper suite. I think we probably already have this one installed already, but let's just double check. Video helper suite, and I have it installed. It's also from the same person that makes the animate diff settings, ComfyUI, I assume. Let's see, what else do we need to install here? We need IP adapter plus, which I think we also installed last week, and then let's try KJ nodes. I have not. I feel like we've probably installed KJ nodes before, but let's just double check. KJ nodes. Let's go ahead and hit try update. So it's like I have a lot of these already installed. I assume you might as well then, because I'm following the same instance, the same host here. But if you don't, double check that. I don't think we actually need ControlNet aux. I haven't used that before. You obviously can use it if you want to. And then IP adapter plus we used last week. So make sure you've got these all installed. So that's pretty much it. Once you've got everything installed, just make sure you also hit restart on your machine. In the case of Colab, that means I'm going to stop my instance and restart it. In the case of your local, you probably just need to hit restart and refresh your browser. In the case of Run Comfy, most of this should already be installed, but if you need anything there, you'll hit restart in Run Comfy, and then you'll refresh your browser as well. Okay, there is one other thing we need to do here. We actually need to install some models. Animate Diff requires you to pre-download your models. So we'll go ahead and do that. We'll go to Manager, and then we'll go to Install Models. Now let's type in Animate. And you'll see here there are a bunch of Animate Diff models. I would probably recommend get at least the first SDX1.x models. Get all of these, because you might actually not know which one you're going to need. It looks like the one that I have installed already so far is the V3 SD1.5 MM. This is probably the most commonly used one, but these other ones are probably also helpful to have. So I'd start with this one and get the other ones. If you want to try SDXL with Animate Diff, you can try this one, the MM SDXL V10 Beta. It is listed as beta because it is quite beta. When you just click these and install them, you'll install all of them in the place you need to. You'll see there's some other LoRa's here as well. I won't cover those in class, but if you want to install them, you can as well. But mostly what you'll need are the Animate Diff models. So these are the top here.